Did you know that the water we're using right now is a very good solvent?
Huh? What do you mean?
Well, water is called the universal solvent, so that's why the coffee powder you're using right now is mixing with water.
Can you explain?
Okay, it's like this.
Wondering why water can dissolve more substances compared to other liquids? Let me explain. A water molecule is formed when two atoms of hydrogen covalently bond with an atom of oxygen. The oxygen atom attracts the electrons more strongly than the hydrogen due to its high electronegativity. This gives water an asymmetrical distribution of charge. Molecules that have ends with partial negative and positive charges are known as polar molecules. It is this polar property that allows water to separate polar solute molecules and explain why water can dissolve so many substances.
I see.
I see.
You can see with your eyes closed.
Oh. Let me explain.
Water has the highest specific heat capacity of any liquid caused by the presence of hydrogen bonding. Specific heat is defined as the amount of heat 1 gram of a substance must absorb or lose to change its temperature by 1 degree Celsius. For water, this amount is 1 calorie. It takes water a long time to heat up and a long time to cool down. In fact, the specific heat capacity of water is about 5 times more than that of sand. Due to its high heat capacity, warm-blooded animals use water, the form of sweat, to disperse heat more evenly and maintain temperature in their bodies.
I see. I know the answer now.
And I see that you're passing papers in the middle of a test. What's going on?
Ooh, cold water. Have you ever wondered why ice floats in water, even though they say that solid is usually danced with a liquid? You don't know too? Well, let me explain.
When the temperature of water is reduced, water freezes and forms solid ice, maintained by hydrogen bonding. The crystalline structure of ice has a more open structure than that of the liquid form of water, making it less dense, a phenomenon not seen in solidification of other liquids. The lower density of ice causes it to float at the surface of the liquid water, such as an iceberg in the ocean, or ice cubes in a glass of water.
Thinking about water is making me really thirsty. Wait a minute. I wonder why we can drink water. What's with water that makes it so drinkable?
Water is soluble. It's a great solvent. This means that it allows water to carry out essential nutrients and minerals in our body.
Also, water's high surface tension and positive forces enables it to move to the body's tissues and cells.
That's why you need to drink water every day to maintain the balance of fluid within your body.
Water is not reactive with biological molecules. That's why we don't die when we drink water, because it does not damage our cells and tissues.
Actually, water is a fundamental component of cells, tissues, and organs. It makes up a significant portion of the body's composition. Up to 60% of the human adult body is water.